Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we have a brand new benchmark with the Hajime no Ippo The Fighting for the PS3. That's right, today we're testing out the RPCS3 emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. The running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM, and if you are new to the channel, basically what I do is I try to test them all on the default settings. The whole point is just to see if the game will run in the first place. That's the main goal here, because we are using a lower end CPU than what you normally see on YouTube with the other emulation channels. We're just trying to see if we can get it to work on lower end hardware, which doesn't seem to be the case because the game just crashed on me. But hey, nice day, right? That totally just crashed on me. Let's try that again. Yeah, let's restart that. I don't even think I want to edit that out. Let's just restart that and see what happens. That's not looking great. It's crashing right off the bat. That's not good. Yee. That's not a good one, guys. That's not a good one. Depending on if it continues this time, I'm actually keeping that in. I'm not taking that out. Depending on how it works. I may splice it out. I don't know. Okay, let's move into it quickly this time. Let's not stick around. Let's go best match mode, I guess. Hey, it's still going. Hey, let's go Ippo. I love Hajime no Ippo. Good anime, dude. Love this crap so much. Have no idea what I'm playing. It's in Japanese only, unfortunately, as a lot of these games are, which is quite unfortunate considering I love this damn thing. What's going on? Is this a cinematic? What's going on? That's an interesting cinematic, but okay, let's get into the boxing. Alright, so it seems the first time around the crash was just a bit... I'm glad I did not stop recording then. I'm glad I decided. You see how fast it booted up the second time once you compile the shaders? Crazy. I have no idea what you're saying. I'm about to press random buttons and hope for the best. Okay, that's cool. That was cool showing me the buttons there. Oh, we have a stamina bar. Interesting. Alright, this is when he fought me. I can't remember Miami. I can't even remember. I broke his guard, but I got tired at the same time. This is the exact first fight. So this probably takes place from the beginning of the story. Oh, nice blow. Liver shot. I gotta watch my stamina apparently. He's guarding really high though, to be fair. Oh wow, you even have oh look at that, that's cool. It's kinda crazy though. Well, that was he just waited until I got tired. That's kinda crazy. Damn, I thought he'd be stupid enough to run into them. He's doing a lot more. Really? Oh crap. Oh gosh, I managed to somehow compose myself there. This is interesting though. Like I said, it always intrigues me to see how much I can get away with. Oh wow! Well, it runs well. Dude, I have no idea what you're saying. I know you're counting him down though. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. As you know, the whole point of my videos are simply to show you guys the progress of the RPCS3 emulator. I really want you guys to see that. Yeah, you can test on low-end CPUs and it still will run. It's not all hit just there, you know. It's not just you need a great CPU for every game. A lot of games will run on lower end hardware. Not my team's only using 37%. Hajime no Ippo can handle, but you can handle RPCS3 with these type 3 games. Obviously, I expected to get a bit, probably be a bit more intense later on down with probably crowds, arenas and stuff, but I don't think it'll go crazy that it'll go close to bottlenecking it by any means. Now this looks like a 30 FPS experience. That being said, oh crap, I actually let go there. Oh, I got him in the corner. Oh, I let go the second he decides to swing. It's crazy, it takes up everything just to get that combo in the first place. Oh! But if you'd like to see me test something specific, don't forget to hit that comment, share, subscribe button, guys, and leave a comment down below again the game you'd like to see me test next on the channel. I have covered a lot of RPCS3 games, a lot of Xenia games as well. We're trying to get more into Yuzu as well, but you know, that'll take a bit longer to get into. But I will see you guys next time. It's been Hajime no Ippo fighting for the PS3.
5, 6, 7, 8.
もう気を抜くもんか。
3ラウンド目始め。ファイト。
熱くさしやがる。
勝負じゃ小僧。